Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 29th of April. This is our weekly recap. It goes out to all my members and everybody out there for free. If you want to join us, come on over to smartoptiontrading.com, click on live trading alerts, and you can join us here for just $25 for 30 days, $100 a month thereafter. And you get, you know, analysis, Discord, Zoom, private Twitter feed. We do charts. We have videos we put up every day, morning setups, nightly recaps, talking about the market, in-depth analysis, real-time information with option flow trades, news, events coming at you. So let's talk about this fun gifts occasionally in Discord. So let's talk about this week and just kind of forget about where we are here from today and take a look at the SPY and back it up and see here that, the low of the year is right here, just a little bit above 410. And right now we are testing the monthly low of 415 here. Last Thursday, we noted a breakdown, a changing character where we broke down from the 200-day and every name that had been strong started selling off. And this week we've chopped around quite a bit, but ultimately a couple things have happened this week. One, we got a bad GDP number, which showed contraction, not expansion of GDP, negative 1.4% versus expected 1.1. And then PCE, the personal income and spending expenses, came in today hot. Normally that would be a good thing, but in an inflationary environment, it's not. And then we had a bunch of earnings. And when you look at earnings so far this season, we've had, especially in tech, Microsoft and Tesla were good. Facebook was not good, no matter what anybody says. Amazon was horrible. Google was bad. Intel was horrible. Qualcomm was good, and Apple was decent, but they refused to guide. And then they said they think they're taking an $8 billion hit next quarter. So that's not so good. So here we are testing the 415 level, and this is a biggie because we don't hold this. Then we're looking at 410 maybe Monday or Tuesday. Remember, we'll get inflows on Monday morning into the market. But ultimately this week we failed at the 8-day, the blue line here. We failed here twice, and we've rolled over. Volume is up, but not massive. We don't have big distribution volume like we've had back here with 200 million share days. So what's going on in this market is we just have a very difficult market where the market's worried and it's not ready to sell and it doesn't want to flush. And that's something we need to see as a flush. So if you look at Tesla, here was its highs, 1152 recently, right? Came back down, the recent highs, not the all-time highs. Good report, dumped back on it. Then the Twitter thing, Musk sold $8 billion worth of shares, and here we are holding this level. And, I can see 750 on this in that 753 area, right? This is the area you start watching into here, 760 area. You can see there's no clear support down to there. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon's just been butchered, absolutely butchered today on another very bad report by them. And they have not had a good report in a while. And, this stock's going to split in the next couple months. And 20 for one, you're starting to look at a stock that's going to be, it's going to be down 120 bucks at this point or lower. Google's going to split 20 for one, and their report was not good, but they've been holding up. They're going to be down around 110, 120 bucks as well. So you're looking at these stocks getting cheaper. Shop is going to be a $40 stock at this point if it splits. So you got a lot going on here. Apple, Apple was great to us this week. Yesterday, after hours, made good money. We traded 3 times long today, and it was good to us there, but ultimately capitulated. Now it's under the 200 days, so it's a little bit of a worry here. It failed at the 50-day today. You got a little downtrend in here on it. But what continues to worry me is the names that have been supporting this market, the X's of this world, despite a great report, bad candle today. Alcoa has rolled over. We get Mosaic reporting earnings next week. It's rolled back to the 50-day. The big box retailers like Costco have rolled over here big time, Walmart, right? So where's the strength in this market? And what we see now is that the strength in this market has gone. Things that had been strong have now disappeared. And that is a problem because the market to go up needs leadership. My belief is for this market to bounce, you're going to need to get a flush candle like this. You're going to need to find a place where buyers come in. A flush in the market where we get a big oversold condition and markets come in, and we haven't seen that yet. So we will be patient. We will wait. In the meantime, you take small trades through the day, you make money, you take profits fast. If you leave a runner on, you put a stop in the money and you get in and you get out and you wait. And if you're looking to buy long term, you wait for the market to give you a reason. And the one thing I'll keep saying to everybody out there, and I say this to my members, is, I want to buy this name. I'll pick a name. We'll just use shop. Well, let shop give you a reason. Let the market turn in your favor, and let shop give you a reason to be bought. Don't just buy it because it's cheap. As much as I love Square and I love it long term, it's not trading well, even after a great report last quarter. And let it give us a reason to be owned. And right now, it hasn't given us a reason yet. So let the names give us a reason, let the market turn, and then we'll go out there and get it. I'm going to wish you guys a wonderful weekend. Rest, try to forget about the markets. I'll post a bunch of charts on Sunday for members. I'll post a video on Sunday. I'm going to talk a lot about the market and the macro and stuff going on in that one as well. And I'll catch everybody bright and early on Monday morning in the room. Have a great weekend, everybody.